Yeah, this has a disclaimer. Welcome to Shenanigans. Before we even start, do not, under any circumstances, open up one of these and mess around with the insides unless you know what you're doing. Common sense and knowledge of electronics could save your life. What's inside here has the potential to kill you. Let's get started. This is what I'm after. The transformer and the capacitor. This has been sitting in my shed for about a year now. It's possible the capacitor is still charged. I doubt it, but you don't ever want to take the risk. This transformer does not say. It's 120 volts input. Does not say what the output on it is, but we're looking anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 volts. The reason why I need this is we have a rodent problem and up around our chickens, and I need a way to zap them. I know some people might think it's cruel and everything else, but the idea I have in mind is I need to quickly zap them, and if I can get enough amperage and high enough voltage for them to be a quick and painless death. I don't like killing animals, but we've tried everything, and I have a child. We keep their coops clean, and no, it's what happens when you live out here in farm country. So, first off, let's try to make sure this is discharged. Before we do that, we'll go through here. This is the magnetron. There is a ceramic capsule in these. I can't remember what it's called, what it's made out of. Most models have them, but that little ceramic disc is an insulator, and you don't want to mess with that. If you chip it, it starts with a B. I cannot recall what the material is made out of, but anyway, it can do some serious harm to your lungs if you chip it, breathe in the vapors or the dust particles from it. I mean, some serious harm to your lungs. So just don't mess with one of these. I did take one apart once. I was wearing a respirator when I was doing it, and I did it outside, but I don't recommend you doing it. if this is charged, this will kill you. If it doesn't, it'll give you one heck of a nasty shock. But here's the voltage on this. This can go up to 2100 volts. These are nice and handy to have. You can do a lot of things with these. But it could kill you. This is what I'm after. We got our primary winding. And then we have two windings in here. One outputs between 1,000 and 2,000 volts. And the other one, which I'm going to assume is the, wait a minute. I'll have to measure it, but no, I think this is it right here. One of them is between 3 and 4 volts, and what that does is it's for the heating element on the tube. Alright, we got what we need for the project. This is the high voltage side. This is the low voltage side. I'm going to double check that, but just by looking at these windings here. There's only about 3 windings on this. I'm going to put about a volt in here and then measure these. I'll hook up to my power supply. The capacitor is discharged. I checked it with my voltmeter, and we'll use that in our circuit as well. The rest of the stuff, there's a couple things I can get out of that. I'll throw it in a parts bin for something, and then it'll go to recycling center. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.